Guys, it's me. Hi guys, it's me, Babakir, and I'm sorry I haven't made an upload in a while because technical difficulties with my laptop. So now it's working. I got it fixed. So let's start the video. So this I made a hand puppet Foxy with hand puppet Foxy, and we have stuff. And I'm actually working on a mask too. I'm working on a mask. It's been really good. So right now I'm gonna talk and just put on the mask, the puppet. So I haven't been something's wrong with my laptop. It's been not working, not so well. But now since we got it since I got it fixed, now it's working. Yes, now it's working, and now it's been good. Now I have it's but tomorrow I have to go to school, so that's kind of bad. Tomorrow I have to go to school, but I'm gonna get Find a Phrase backpack, so that's kind of good, and it has rollers, thing that looks like suitcases, but it's actually not. So I'm just putting on. I will be making more plush videos more often. Okay, so there's no need to worry. And boom, there it is. This is my puppet. What do you think? It's been looking good. It took a long. I just made it this morning, so it's actually really good. And if you see here, if you look at this, it has a hand that can wave and a hook, but sometimes it falls off. Oh, and the really cool thing, really cool thing, there is if you take off the mask, like right here, endoskeleton. So like if I want to make a music video or something, I can like take this off, take mask off, and it will show. Boom. And the good ending of FNAF 3 where Foxy, all the heads have been put to rest. Well, look, it's pretty cool, doesn't it? Well, kinda. Well, so this is I know my videos, I'm gonna be starting uploading lots more, even though saying it's still school year. So, I'll be there. And I'm sorry if this video, if you think that, I'm sorry if this video is short. I just had to make it quick, reasons. Oh yeah, and I'll show you my progress on my mask. I'll just bring it. Okay, here it is. So it looks pretty good right now. I can take off this puppet. Take off the puppet. Perfect. Okay. So this is my mask. Looking good. I still need to fix the jaw. It's something broke off somehow. And yeah, I made ears right here. Ears are right here. The eyes are like, the eyes. See, the eyes are pretty good. It's looking good. That stuff. And I put a little bit of livery. I cut some parts in the eyelids, right here in the eyelid. Some eyelids are here. See, just put a little bit of rivering. And this is not Freddy, by the way. This is actually another character that I made my own custom animatronic. It's called Betty Blue Bear. and he's some kind, and he's a bitty blue bear. And I've been making more animatronics, and I've been thinking of making a series with my paper action figures. They're actually really good. I've been working hard on them, and I actually found a way to move their mouth. So I've been working on that. You know, my mask looks really good. The teeth, if you look in the back, not much. And I duct taped on the back. And yeah, that's my mask. I'm gonna be fixing the jaw soon, so that'll be good. And that's my review. See you later. Like, subscribe, comment in the box down below, and bye.